So now let's continue on with example 2. Okay, again, step 1 is done for us. Okay, we have one of our equations that's already equal to one of the variables. Okay, so y is already solved for in one of the equations. It doesn't have to be solved for in both, just one of them. Okay, so now that we have y solved for, let's go to step 2. Okay, remember step 2 is to plug the equation, whatever y is equal to, into the first equation, or into the other one. Okay, so we have 2x plus x minus 4, okay, is equal to 5. Okay, so we've plugged it in, or we've substituted in that equation for our y value. Okay, now we solve it. Remember, step 3 is solving for that variable we have now. Okay, so 2x plus x is 3x. Okay, 3x minus 4 equals 5. Okay, we add 4 to both sides. So 3x equals 9. Okay, we can divide by 3 to where we have 3 equals x. Okay, so now we know one of our variables. Okay, our step 4 is to plug in that value now. Okay, so y is equal to x minus 4, or 3 minus 4. Okay, so y is equal to -1. So our solution should be x comma y, or 3 comma -1. Okay, let's check to see if it works. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, that checks out. Right? We have y is -1, so is -1 equal to 3 minus 4? Yes. So this is true. That is our solution. Okay. Let's go to example 3. Okay, in example 3, we don't have anything that's solved for us, so we can choose which one we solve for. Okay, we've gotten in the habit of solving for y, so step 1, solve for y. Okay, I'm going to choose the second one because it looks easier. Okay, you can choose either one. If we wanted to solve for x, we could solve for x. It doesn't matter which equation we solve for either. Okay, so down here, let's subtract x from both sides, so y is equal to -x plus 3. Okay, check. Step 1. Step 2, substitute this value in for y. So substitute -x plus 3 in for our y value in the other equation. Okay. We haven't seen this one yet, but right here we're going to have to distribute. So 4 times -x plus 3, you substitute that whole equation in for y. Okay. So now that we've substituted it in, we have to distribute. X plus 4 times -x is -4x. 4 times 3 is +12. Okay. Okay, so step 2, we plugged it in. Step 3, we're working on solving for x. Okay. So x plus -4 is -3x. Plus 12 is equal to 6. Okay, we got to subtract 12 over. And we get -3x is equal to -6. Divide by -3. Okay, so we get x is equal to 2. Okay, I got to go back to the top over here. I'm running out of room. But now that we know what x is, we've done step 3, so now step 4, okay, is plugging this back into the equation to find y. Okay, so y equals -x plus 3, okay, which is -2 plus 3, so we have y equals 1. So our solution is 2, 1. All right. Now we've done examples where they're just